Okay, guys. I'm posting right now because a few days ago, my aunt died. She died the exact day right after I finally got to see her. I regret not seeing her sooner. To be honest, I do. I do a lot. But hey, there's nothing I can do about it now. Now it's too late. I saw her when I saw her. I at least got to say my goodbyes. Although she wasn't really responding. But she wasn't really responding. I still got to say my proper goodbyes face to face. There's no right or wrong way to grieve when you lose someone you love. Whether it's them dying or if it's like something like a relationship ending, breaking up, anything like that, taking space, anything like that. There's no right or wrong way of grieve. No right or wrong way to grieve. And just cause like when it comes to relationships, just because things aren't working right now doesn't mean that's it, that's the end of it. Yes, you shouldn't dwell on it too much because today's a blessing, tomorrow's never promised. Like, we honestly have to start appreciating everything we have while we have it, and the people we have while we have them. Whereas, like, certain people turn to drugs or alcohol to help them get through things, whether it's a death, a breakup, they're just sad, anything. Or there also are other people that just do stuff just to do stuff, that just do shit just to do shit. Honestly, truly, there are people out there still that are like that. It's 2022. I don't see that changing anytime soon. I don't. We're all different. There's a reason why we're all different in our own ways. But when you really truly do love someone, I think you just take everything that comes with them. I'm only saying that because I know I'm a handful. I've always been a handful, but ever since everything I've gone through, my whole entire survival story, and everything that's behind that and more, is why I am how I am now. But this one individual has truly showed me love exists. It's a real thing. It's not made up. It's not something I'm just trying to force. Because with him, I didn't have to force any type of love at all. It all just fell in place. Like, that's why my first kiss with him was so romantic. Like, so passionate. I've never kissed anybody like that in my life. I don't think I ever will ever again, but it's like every single time I ever kiss him, it's always passionate as hell. Like, there's no limits. No, we don't have to go have sex for it to be passionate or nothing like that. It's just a kiss, just seeing him, being in his arms, him hugging me, holding me while I'm vulnerable. Like, I cried in this man's arms more than once. He takes me with all my bullshit nonstop. He knows that with me comes a lot of baggage and even toxicity. I'm not saying necessarily that I'm toxic, because I'm really just not. I'm just super overly caring and overly, like, I can overwhelm you with how much I care for you. And if you're that special somebody, you know I'm talking about you. I'm always talking. Well, if I'm not talking about you, I'm always thinking about you. You are my first, and I believe you are my forever. I don't think there's going to be anybody after you. Even if we're not together right now, I know we will end up together. In the long run, I know you're at my finish line in the long run. But I just know, like, that first kiss, oh my God, I felt like I was in heaven. I felt like I was literally being risen up. I felt like it was a movie. That's how passionate that kiss was. And that was just the first kiss. But every kiss after that was always super passionate as hell. And that's why I know and already have confirmed that you are the love of my life. I'm sorry for people that I may have hurt. Sorry for hurting you, but I was always missing this piece. I found my missing piece. It's within him, and it's because of him that I was able to find it. He's part of my missing piece. I'm not saying he is my missing piece. I'm saying he's part of it. Because thanks to him being able to get my negativity kind of out the way and me to think positive, I now can. It's not just a dark road ahead of me. Not no more. So I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. This is why I will never stop loving you. I don't care whether we're together or not. I mean, I care, but that's not the point. The point is, whether we're together or not, I will always love you. You'll always have a place in my heart, no matter what.